This is a cellular blind. Cellular. That's cellular. These are cellular blinds. This is a cellular blind. This is a cellular blind. It's great for young families, for instance, and you can see why. There are no chains or cords anywhere around the blind. You can get a chained option, but this one here is a hand draw. And let me show you just how easy it is to lift with a touch of a finger. Perfectly sleek at the top of the window. Pull it down again. They are available in blockout, light filter, as we've got here. We've got a range of colors. We've got them face fitted to the wall at the moment, or you can have them recess fitted. Really versatile, great product. If you'd like to hear more about them or you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the Curtain and Blind Company.